Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Teeks643 bringing you a live auction break of Playbook from earlier tonight. Thanks to everyone for participating. Give me a second here to get you the 3+ team winners, and then we are going to roll along. This will be the last chance to get players to update your hockey pool with. So first of all we have B. Martin, then Johnny Canuck, then Justin A, then Phil 62, then Pellin, and Therm. So if you guys want to use these players for your pool, you can certainly do so. For November 1st, B. Martin, you've got Sebastian Aho. Johnny Canuck, you've got Nino Niederreiter. Justin A, you've got Scandella. Phil, you've got Camilleri. Pellin, you've got Murray. And Therm, you've got Werenski. We've got 2 more for Therm. You've got Miller for the Bruins and Larson, good defenseman for the Oilers. And then 1 for Johnny Canuck. And you've got Connor Sheary. Alright guys, we're going to do this break short and sweet, and then I'm going to update your hockey pool roster players. And then anyone with any last minute submissions can make some changes if any of those players influence your pool. Good luck everyone. First hit is going to get a 643 collector card, and that is the Nashville Predators. And Therm, numbered out of 249. Therm, you've got yourself a Dan Bouchard 643 Legends signature. And Therm's going to like that one because he is a believer, and this is a Psalm 139 inscription on Dan Bouchard's signature, numbered 2 out of 4. So congratulations, that's going to Nashville. Next up, we've got a playbook of Lucas Lesio for the Arizona Coyotes, numbered out of 199. Jersey, dual jersey autograph. That one is going to B. Martin. Congratulations, Bill. Ooh, nice. We've got a Steve Yzerman, numbered out of 99 for the Detroit Red Wings jersey for Justin A. Limited edition. And the last card standing is a Darcy Kemper private signings, numbered out of 199 for Minnesota and Pepador. So Pepador, congratulations, you've got yourself a free spot, number 14 in a box of 15/16 black. Alright guys, that is the break. Thanks for participating. I'll get this out to you right away. Have a good night.